several different ways that you can put an image into a screen, but there's a couple of real fundamental ones that are easy to do at a home studio. This is using two different materials called drawing fluid and screen block. Now, drawing fluid and screen filler work just like glaze and wax resist do, if anyone is familiar with working with those materials, where the drawing fluid is a resist for the screen filler. So when I start to draw onto the screen, wherever I'm drawing with the drawing fluid, that's what's going to be my image. And then when I put the screen filler over top of that image, that's going to seal in all of the open spots.